If you do any woodworking or sanding, you know the pain of a shop vac losing suction halfway through the job. It drives me crazy to stop and bang out a filter every 20 minutes. So I decided to fix it. I bought and tested the 5 best dust separators on the market to see which ones actually keep the dust out of the filter and which ones are just hype. Here is what I found. Product number 1, DeWalt Dust Separator 10-gal stainless steel. First up, I grabbed this DeWalt model with a 10-gallon stainless steel tank. Physically, it feels like a tank, pun intended. It's heavy duty and doesn't feel like it'll crack if I accidentally kick it. I hooked it up to my planer, which usually chokes my vac in minutes with those long curly shavings. I was honestly surprised. After filling the stainless bin, I checked my main vac and it was practically empty. The seal on the lid is tight, which is crucial for maintaining suction. The ports fit my standard hoses snugly without needing duct tape, which is a rare win in this category. If you have a stationary setup and want something that looks professional and holds a ton of waste before you need to dump it, this is a heavy hitter that earns its keep. Product number 2, DeWalt Dust Separator 6-gallon poly tank. Next, I moved to the 6-gallon poly version. Immediately, I noticed the weight difference. It's way lighter than the stainless steel one, making it super easy to drag around the shop. The yellow poly plastic is thick, typical DeWalt quality, so it can take a beating. I tested this one specifically with drywall dust, which is the ultimate filter killer. It managed to spin out almost all of that fine white powder into the bucket before it hit my vac. The 4 casters on the bottom roll smoothly over sawdust-covered floors, so it didn't tip over when I tugged on the hose to reach the other side of the room. Emptying it was less of a hassle too. You just pop the latches and dump. If you need something mobile for job sites or a smaller garage, this lighter tank is the way to go. Product number 3, DeWalt Dust Separator 6-gallon poly alternative test. I also spent time with another unit of this 6-gallon design to really test the cyclone efficiency on mixed debris. I swept up a nasty cocktail of sawdust, screws, and metal shavings from the floor to see if the cyclone action actually protected the vacuum fan. When I opened it up, the heavy debris was sitting safely at the bottom of the yellow bucket, and my vacuum filter looked brand new. It claims 99.5% efficiency, and based on how clean my filter stayed, I believe it. One thing I noticed is that the handle layout makes it a little awkward to carry if it's completely full of heavy dirt, but that's a minor gripe. It's a great middle ground option that balances capacity with a footprint that isn't too massive. It feels very stable, which is what you want when you are working fast. Product number 4, DeWalt Dust Separator 10-gal stainless volume test. I went back to the 10-gallon stainless steel model to test it on a larger project, resurfacing my deck. The extra capacity here is the main selling point. With the 6-gallon buckets, I was stopping too often to empty them, but this 10-gallon beast let me work for hours without a break. The professional cyclone technology they advertise kept the airflow high even when the tank was getting full. I also noticed the casters are sturdy enough to support the weight of a full tank of debris, which can get heavy. The connection points didn't leak air, which means you get maximum suction at the tool end. If you generate a massive volume of chips, like from a jointer or a table saw, the extra space in this tank is absolutely necessary. Plus, the stainless finish just looks cleaner in the shop. Product number 5, Pro Low Profile Dust Separator. Finally, I checked out the Duststopper Pro. This is a totally different animal. When I held it, I loved how low profile it is compared to the tall cyclones. It doesn't tip over easily because the center of gravity is so low. It's designed to fit on a standard 5-gallon bucket, and the gasket they include seals perfectly without any fiddling. I ran it through a pile of fine sanding dust, and the separation was impressive. The engineers say too much airflow ruins separation, and this thing seems tuned perfectly to drop the dust out of the airstream. It's made in the USA, which is cool. If you already have buckets lying around and want a compact solution that tucks away under a workbench or shelf, this is the smartest design I tested. So whether you need the massive capacity of the 10-gallon stainless tank or the compact design of the Duststopper, Adding one of these to your setup will save your vacuum and your lungs. I've dropped links to all of these in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.